What about the visual representation in terms of the fonts, the graphics, the colors? Because all of these things add up to the perception and impression that people have about your brand, as it were. How did you arrive at those decisions? Or did you have to get a consultant or an expert to do it for you?
Even if you had gotten a consultant will have to discuss with you.
Certainly.
And
you must get a brief.
Information out. Gets a brief.
You must get a brief.
So we use the colors green, predominantly green and purple. Those are two colors we use. Purple because we want to treat our clients like royalty. It's the color of royalty. We want to treat our clients like royalty. We want them to feel like royalty when they're dealing with us. And of course, we treat their vehicles as such, the way we handle their vehicles. Green, because of the peculiarity of the industry we're in. It's a polluting industry, the automotive industry. It's going green. That's the future of the automotive industry. It's going to go green. It's going green. And we're talking about sustainable and renewable energy.
Yeah, it's already happening. I mean, in France, exactly.
Paris, for example, is banning internal combustion engines, limiting them to a certain number of days. And then totally outright ban is going to happen as well. Eventually.
They've already announced.
Of course. I told you. I couldn't take them.
Many states in North America are already announcing.
Exactly.
UK has announced.
I am studying electronic mobility as we speak. Electronic mobility, and the course is so rich. I'm taking it at Paris Tech University. The course is so rich that it's looking beyond just the environmental impact, the economic impact of going green. Now that's the future, right?
That's the immediate future because it's already here with us actually.
Exactly. So
all they're trying to figure out is how to mass produce in a commercially effective, viable
so
way.
Green is the future of the automobile industry. That's where the color came from. And also, you've been around the workshop. Did you see oil everywhere?
No.
Like typical.
That's the first impression I had the first time I came here on my espionage activity. I didn't see oil. I didn't even see oily personnel.
Yes. You can still work on 10 cars in a day and not have grease all over your body.
How did you do that?
How can you not do that? That's the thing. Are you wearing the right personal protective equipment? Are you using the right apparel? Are you using the right tools? Are you doing the job right? If you are, do you have to look like the engine that is leaking for you to work on a leaky engine? If your hands get sore, you clean it up immediately. There are provisions for that here. You don't spill oil anyhow here because there are containers you can use, there are tools, there are gadgets you can use to take oil out of a vehicle without messing up the whole place. So that's the future.
Those are little things.
They matter.